24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Ask them to take turns and talk about their favorite animal in complete sentence. For example, my favorite animal is cat. Now show the picture of a cat and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of the children may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a cat. It is white or any color and its name is cat. Ask the children if they can tell in how many colors they have seen a cat and what a cat says. Now, show to the class a picture of a car and frame the questions like you have asked about the cat. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter C and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize letter C. Learn its related vocabulary and trace the capital letter C with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
Uh-oh, my shoe is broken. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down, and then I'll give you half a crown.
Write letter C on the writing board. Tell the children that this is small letter C and it says K. Say the sound of the letter C. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words in their initial sound. C, K, cake. C, K, cake. C, K, cake. C, K, cake. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of letter C activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Demonstrate how to hold the pencil and sit while writing. How to hold a pencil. Step 1. Use your thumb and index finger to pick up the pencil. Step 2. Place the index finger on top of the pencil. Step 3. Rest the pencil on the middle finger. Step 4. Rest the pad of your hand on the page. Then ask them to follow the same process. Provide guidance whenever it is required. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Correct sitting posture for handwriting. Sitting with their feet flat on the floor. sitting with their ankles, knees and hips all at 90 degrees. Forearms resting on desk with elbows level with the desktop at 90 degrees. Neck and shoulders relaxed. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter C on the middle lines and give instructions. Start from the second line and go around to the third line to the bottom. Make a circle back left ending above their baseline. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter C with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter C in the air or on their desks or in their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize C. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter C can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.